Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Battlefield 1 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Battlefield 1 game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you can start playing from various different match modes. Now, if you wish to customize your control settings, just go ahead and pause the game, and then go into Options. Then from the Options page, you can click on Controls, where within the basic controls you will find the sensitivity as well as the look direction settings. Go into the Control Schemes option if you wish to customize the control scheme for your joystick or controller. Inside the Advanced menu, you can fine-tune the sensitivity for various different vehicles as well as zoom levels. In order to change the key bindings for your keyboard and mouse, go into Key Bindings from the Options page. Now, once again, you can find various different situations that you will be finding yourself in, and the keys will be assigned relatively. In order to change any option, you can click on the Already Assigned button, and once you are told to press your desired new key, you can press it right away. And now this will be set as your customized button. You can follow the same steps to redefine all of your keybinds. Once you are done, just click on the back button, and your changes will be saved. If you get a prompt, make sure to accept your changes, and then you can go back into your game to play with your new settings right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Battlefield 1 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.